Ever wonder why every animal on Earth seems to be best friends with this giant potato? It's not just because they're cute, it's because they have a social superpower that even predators can't resist. Meet the capybara. At 150 pounds, they're the world's largest rodents, but they act more like Zen masters. In the wild, they're nature's chairs. Because they're so incredibly calm, other species, from birds to even crocodiles, feel safe hanging out around them. The lesson? Be so chill that even your enemies want to nap with you. Stay hydrated and stay zen.